Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to change TikTok app language. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile. Go to your profile. Click on the three horizontal lines from the screen's top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Under the Content and Activity section, you will see the language option. Tap on it. Now tap on App Language. You will see different languages. Choose the language you want and tap on it. Then tap on Done from the top right corner. And you will change the TikTok app language. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to change the TikTok app language. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.